So May is the Mental Health Awareness Month, and today I'll talk about this weight loss medication that also improves your mental health or the symptoms of depression, and we call it a skinny happy pill. Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about a weight loss peptide, Tesofensine. Tesofensine is an oral peptide and it's a one-a-day pill. It is serotonin, noradrenaline, dopamine reuptake inhibitor. Tesofensine was originally developed for the treatment of Alzheimer's and Parkinson because of its effects on neurotransmitter and it being a reuptake inhibitor. A scientist found out that tesofensine caused significant reduction in the appetite of the patients. Tesofensine improved the feeling of satiety. It also stimulated the effect of fat oxidation and improved the resting energy expenditure, which overall improved the metabolism. Studies also showed that after using tesofensine for 2 to 3 weeks, it showed significant improvement in overall. Some of the benefits of tesofensine are it improves the appetite or it lowers the appetite, improves the feeling of satiety, it helps you lose weight and improve overall body composition by targeting visceral fat, thus improving your belly fat. Because of its effects on dopamine, it improves the mood and improves the symptoms of depression. Tesofensine is also neuroprotective and it overall improves the insulin sensitivity. So this is the perfect oral peptide for improving your mood, losing belly fat and improving your overall metabolism. Subscribe for more videos.